Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off voicemail on your iPhone. If you prefer not to have a voicemail on your device or want to disable it temporarily, I've got you covered with a simple solution. Let's dive into it. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone and open the phone app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Voicemail to access your voicemail settings. If you see a message asking to set up voicemail, this means voicemail is already activated. To disable it, you'll need to contact your carrier as voicemail settings can only be changed from their end. Another method is to disable voicemail by contacting your carrier's customer support. Call their helpline or visit their website to ask them to turn off voicemail for your number. Some carriers also allow you to disable voicemail by entering a special code into your dialer. This code is specific to your carrier, so check with them for the exact code to disable voicemail. If you don't want to fully disable voicemail, another option is to forward your calls directly to voicemail. To do this, open the Settings app, tap on Phone, and then call Forwarding. Toggle on Call Forwarding and enter the number of the voicemail, which your carrier can provide. And that's it. While turning off voicemail on an iPhone is typically done through your carrier, you can also use call forwarding as an alternative solution. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more phone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!